Hey there, Academy owners. Ever feel like you're drowning in paperwork and phone calls? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a smarter way to run your student training academy with a WP Learning management system. Let's face it, manual attendance, chaotic payment tracking, no performance data, and endless paperwork are holding you back. You're busy managing instead of growing. Now, think about what your students and their parents expect today. They want online access, progress updates, instant communication, and easy payments. And guess what? If you're not offering this, someone else is. But don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Imagine having digital attendance, course material sharing, online payments, in-app messaging, and real-time progress tracking, all in one place with our WP Learning management system. Our software is super easy to use and affordable. Let's talk benefits. Save over 15 hours a week. Grow your revenue by 25%, and most importantly, see improved satisfaction from students and parents alike. No tech skills? No problem. We provide full setup and ongoing support. So, are you ready to scale your academy with our WP Learning management system? Book a free demo today and start your digital journey with zero risk. Run smarter, scale faster, stress less. Thanks for watching.